So today we are going to discuss how to overcome failure. In my previous video I told you all that what is failure means the lack of success is known as failure. You have to watch this video till end so you will come to know that what is failure actually and how to overcome it. What is failure? It's in my previous video, go and watch that, and today I'm going to tell you that how to overcome failure. The failure comes in your life whenever you want something and you did not get this, then you will face the failure. Just like that, I give you the example of the low class failure stage, that a person wants to purchase a packet of lace, but unfortunately he has no money. He go to the shopkeeper and he say that, uncle, I want to have this lace packet with me, but the shopkeeper says that I don't know you, I don't know where is your home, I don't have your any contact number, how can I give you this packet of lace? So that's how the child faces the failure, because he wants the packet of lace, but what happened is next he did not get this. Now it's a negative point for him, and it's really happened to him. Now the future is in his hand. The first option for him is he have to give up. Second option is he have to find a way. If he did find the way, then he will come to know that how to delete, how to delete failure from your mind. So if you will give up, then you will fall towards sadness, you will fall towards depression, and maybe your falling depression will increase and you will go towards suicide. And maybe just because of a failure you can face the heart attack, as I told you in my previous video. So now the child has two options. One is if he give up, and I told you if he give up what will happen to him. Second option is that he have to find a way. What is the way he can find to overcome his failure, and what did he learn from his failure? So there are some things he learned from the failure. What is this? He come to know that he have to have some money in his pocket. Whenever he will get money in his pocket, then he can purchase the lace. First thing is that he come to know that he have to be with money. If he will have the money, then he can purchase the packet of lace. So what will happen? There are again two options for him. He come to know that there's no money, so I can't purchase anything. Okay, so the next thing come is, after he come to know that the money, after money I can get this packet of lace. So after thinking of that, he have two more options, that he have to think like, how can I earn this money? Okay, I can't earn this money, I have to give up. So what will happen? He will never purchase that packet of lace in his whole life, and it's also a failure, it's also a big failure of him. Second option is that he will try to find a way from which he can earn money. So first thing is that as he was a child, so he has some options, like he have to study well, and there's a very big big scenario of studies, then after that you will start earning money. So the next option comes for him is he have to steal money. Okay, the third option comes from him for him is he have to go and he have to do some laboring. Okay, I actually am going towards more and more, it's not like that. To purchase a packet of lace you can ask money from your father and mother. It was just an example for you all. Okay, that's why I'm describing in this way. So what will happen next is, if you will move towards studies, it will take time, but after studies you will earn money, and money you can purchase more than one packet of lace. Okay, means you can purchase the whole market if you are a good if you are a good student, and if you got a good job, then after some time from earning money you can purchase the lace how many you need. Okay, so that was the first option, that studies. Second option come is stealing. Okay, if he steal money from somewhere, if he if he did robbing, so in the result of that what will happen? maybe he will caught someday, and he will definitely, if he do something wrong, then what will happen? His whole life will destroy, and he will never get the packet of lays in his life, ever, ever, ever. Okay, and if he get and if he get the packet of lays, then he cannot enjoy that, because after, I think so, 1 day, after 2 days, after 3 days, after a month, he will be behind the bars very soon. Third option come is laboring. While you have the option of study, you will move towards laboring. While you have an option towards become a successful personality, you move towards laboring. Then what will happen? You can only enjoy the packet of lace. So there are many things move in his mind. Okay, that if I move towards there, it will happen. If I move towards there, it will happen. But if we think everything in a positive manner, okay, if we think in a negative manner, so what will happen? He will think that if I will study, then it will pass too many years, maybe I will die, so I cannot taste that packet of lace ever. So that's the thinking stop him from studies. Second thing come is stealing money will be at end. Second thing come is, what if he did laboring? Okay, if I did laboring, then I have to struggle a lot, and after that, they will just give me a little bit money. So I think so that also not good. And what will happen if I fall away from the roof? So he will think like that. Third option come from him is, for him is stealing money. So he will think, yeah, stealing money is very good idea. I can steal 1 crore, I can steal 1 lakh. So that's how your mind is working without your permission. If you will think negative, then the failure will affect you negatively. The failure is very beautiful thing comes in your life. It teaches a lesson again and again, and it teaches a lesson for everyone to everyone. And if if you misuse failure, then you can never be a successful personality. If you use failure with a good manner, then you can become a successful personality again and again. So the thing I want to share is how to overcome failure is, firstly, if you get failure, then you have to think positive. If you think negative, then you will fall towards the depression and many other mental health activities which can destroy your life. So the conclusion comes out is, you have to be positive while facing failure. And if you did face the failure, either it's a failure of any stage, either it's a failure of any kind, then you have many possibilities how to think. I told you how to think for that. And if you think for that, and if you start struggling for on a positive mind, then you will get success, and you will come to know in future that yeah, this failure is very helpful to you. Because failure is the best friend of your life, because failure is the main key towards the success. So if you did not get failure in your life now, and you become a successful personality, then you will not enjoy that personality, because the studies, the struggles will never end until you die. So you will face a failure at any stage. Okay, so how to deal with it, I told you. If you still did not get it, then you can comment me, mail me, gmail me, or you can message me on Instagram. Also, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon, and also do follow me on Instagram at Orbit of Motivation. So viewers, meet you in my next session, will be on Mission Pakistan. Mission Bhutan is going to end in this video. So take care, Bhutanese, and thanks a lot for your support. So miss you all, Bhutanese. It's a really good time with you all, counseling to you and everything. So I really enjoy that everything. Okay. So now take care, and if you think that is still my session is not workable, or if you still think that my session is not a good one, then you can just mail me, gmail me, then I will start Mission Bhutan season 2 very soon. And now I'm going to start Mission Pakistan as there are many cases in Pakistan. So I think so that I have to raise a voice for that as well. It will be related to mental issues, and it will be announced in the next video. Especially this video will be, especially Mission Pakistan introduction video will be made it soon. Take care, viewers. Enjoy your life.